Hey everybody, this is Ori from OneScales, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to an issue I had with the Creative Cloud on my Mac. And hopefully this will give you some insight. If you have the same issue, it'll save you time, and this is what the channel is for, to help you guys save time, make the world better, share better information. So what I had, to give a little background, is I had an old Mac laptop, which is an Intel processor, and I bought a new M2 processor, the silicone processor, new M2. And what I did is I transferred my old information using the Mac tool to the new computer. And when I did that, my Creative Cloud was not working. What I did, it just wasn't working. So I followed the steps. I talked to support. I clicked on all the help pages, for example, learn more here, and it just didn't work. So I always failed in this. So what I want to do is share with you the insight, share what I did and how I solved it, and really hope this helps some of you guys. So what I did, first of all, I checked out here. It says error code number 1, which is the specific error I had. So I followed the steps and I read things. I found the most common errors, error 1, and it said, hey, your device has either been corrupted or you cannot connect to Adobe servers. So I talked to support and they said, hey, please check first that why you can't connect to the servers to rule this out. So I checked if I had a firewall. I checked if I have any VPNs. I checked if I have any blocks. I checked any Chrome extensions or anything that might block connection, ad blockers, things like that. And it wasn't the case for me specifically. So I figured, oh, okay, so maybe my software has been corrupted because I switched from the old Intel to the Silicon M2. And it seemed to me that that was the case, and actually it seemed to be that's the real case. So what I did is I needed to figure out how to do it. So the support came to me and said, you know what, please go here and install our log collector. It'll help us gather more information, and then we can help you better. So I tried to install this, and it didn't work. The install just failed. Didn't do anything, didn't even install. So I had to go back and I had to start looking at things myself. So eventually I got to this page right here, and I'm going to share all the links here in the YouTube comments. So basically I said, hey, you know what? You need to log in as a different user and then uninstall right here. So you can uninstall this and then go back and install it again, and it should work. Okay, so that's it. That actually solved it. So let me introduce to you what I did very simply, and then hopefully this will help you guys. So what I did, I'm using a Mac, but if you have a Windows, you have these steps. I basically created a new user. So going here to the top, system settings, I searched for users, groups. I created a new account. And then what I did after I created the new account, I logged out and I logged in as the new account. And then what I did is I basically followed this link for the app uninstaller, which is here. I went here, I found my Mac, for example, right here, Mac Silicone for me. I downloaded it, I installed it, it went correctly. Then I just logged out. I logged out and I logged back into my main user, and then I just installed it again. And when I installed the Creative Cloud, it worked, and that was the solution. So hope this helps you guys. Again, this channel is here to help you guys give insight into what we do, into issues we've had, into just good information. If you have any suggestions, you have any questions, you have any other insight that you have that you can share with the community, much appreciated. If you did like this video, please share, say hello, subscribe, and we'll be making many, many more videos. Much appreciated, guys.